We were joking about it earlier, but we may be stranded out here now for sure. All right, new Seaboys merch came in. That's for the R8 giveaway. If you guys didn't know, Seaboys are probably our biggest inspiration for why we started Throttle Squad. So, you know, we got a brilliant idea.
So I'm thinking, Andon had the idea to build a wood frame and just throw the Predator motor from the mini bike on it. So now we're thinking about making like a little homemade crazy cart, which is basically a tiny little crate like cart with 2 caster wheels in the back, and then the front one wheel is powered, so you basically drift wherever you want. And I'm thinking we can do something with that. So
we're gonna let him cook. We're gonna get some supplies and go do dumb stuff in public, and we'll be back.
So are you gonna buy this?
Yeah.
For the low price of 140 bucks.
You gotta test it out.
I've been wanting a bike.
Gotta get the essentials.
Yep. Dude, I think we just saw the Poop Dakota in public. Dude, is that really the Poop Dakota? Oh my God, it's the owner of the Poop Dakota. It is the Poop Dakota. We're at Tropical Smoothie.
All right, we just rolled up to our aunt's house. We got Monkey, Andon, special guest Carissa.
She got the Seaboys merch on.
And the reason we are here is because our aunt was kind enough to print us out some shirts.
This is a big day, boys.
So this is the first merch in Throttle Squad history.
Yeah, first merch.
We don't expect this to be available. Don't expect this to be available.
Oh, here we go. Oh snap!
And Tanya's in the
She's
video.
The merch plug.
Okay. See.
A flag.
Oh, that's so sweet.
You can put that in your back of your trunk.
That's
There's a
awesome.
I should put that on the back
That's
of my truck.
awesome.
Okay. We got stuff over here. This here, Andon, is a mouse pad.
Oh my dude! Dude, that's sick.
This is an example of a shirt.
Okay.
V-neck.
Oh,
now
okay.
you can do whatever you want. We'll do a regular straight neck. And this is the back.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's got to have a coating on
Yeah,
it.
so
And
you can
what
etch
it
it
does
out.
is it etches it out.
Okay.
We haven't gotten that far yet.
You're a videographer.
Give us a haul of what you got.
Check it out.
Cool.
Show the flag.
Whoa!
Mouse pad.
What's burning?
Nice.
It's the smell, bro.
No, I smell like actual burning. I smell burning brains.
Chris, you gotta record on
We'll give a better haul when we get home.
Handicap.
I woke up in the party feeling like I'm the man.
Guapington! What? No!
That is crazy.
Say hi to Throttle Squad! We got merch. No way! Look! Keychain.
This is badass.
I know! What'd you get, Willie? Another frog for the video. It's smaller.
This
I
one
think.
isn't paralyzed, so that's
Oh, who will? Look how Will big eye.
What's going on, guys? Going out on Nate's boat today. We are currently getting it down from basically the shelf. I'll throw some footage of that in. And we'll get some footage out on the water. Peace out. Plan B. They closed, so we're on a dinky boat, but that's all right because we're still on the water. almost got stranded at sea there.
We're good.
We were joking about it earlier, but we may be stranded out here now for sure. Well, I guess this makes for a good video. Possibly not a good time. So we are stranded, so we got to keep the choke on the motor to get home. Probably going, what, 5, 10 miles, probably 5 miles an hour.
Probably, yeah.
So, you know, just, it is what it is at this point. You got to get home somehow. It's going to be a late night.
We're about, realistically, 3 miles at 5 mile an hour. So in 37 days, we will reach our destination.
We're getting there. Just stopped for dinner. Back on the water we go. We have made it back by going about 3 miles an hour for 3 miles. Did not die on us, luckily.